Hi, I'm Anif Kojakardan, and I'm the author of the book Streamlit in Action Pure Python Web Apps in Minutes. If you've ever wanted to build powerful interactive web apps with just Python without needing to know any other languages like JavaScript or HTML, Streamlit is a tool that makes that possible. In Streamlit in Action, I walk you through everything you need to know to build and deploy web apps quickly. Whether you're working with data, creating an AI chatbot, or just want to build a tool to automate something at work, I'll show you how to turn your Python scripts into shareable web apps. This book is for developers, data scientists, analysts, or even hobbyists who want to get their ideas online quickly without the hassle of traditional web development. And trust me, if you know Python, you can learn Streamlit. Streamlit in Action is very hands on. You'll complete a series of real world projects that increase in difficulty incrementally, helping you master the various features that Streamlit offers. As we go along, you'll also learn best practices on how to organize your code or approach the design of an app, how to test your app and deploy to production, how to integrate with APIs and cloud services, and how to use third party libraries like pandas. You'll even learn a lot about Python itself. So, if you're ready to take your Python skills to the next level and start creating web apps with ease, grab your copy of Streamlit in Action. I can't wait to see what you create.